Flow chart of chapter Coordinate Geometry. This is the introduction of Coordinate Geometry. Important points for class 9 students. Okay. The flow chart. What is flow chart? What is the summary of the chapter? Okay. Now coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? To locate the position of a point in a plane, we require two perpendicular lines. One of them horizontal and other is vertical. The plane is called the Cartesian plane and the lines are called the coordinate axis. Okay, see this side. Want to locate a point, we need two perpendicular lines. Okay, these are the two perpendicular lines. This is the horizontal line. Horizontal line is known as the x-axis and vertical line y-axis. This plane is known as the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane. Okay, the horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. Okay, the coordinate axis divide the plane into four quadrants. Okay, this divided into four quadrants. This is the quadrant number 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the four parts. And the point of intersection of x-axis is origin. Both the axes, this is the point of intersection of these two lines, origin. The coordinate of this origin is 0, 0. Okay, this is the origin. There is a plane. Okay, x-axis, y-axis, origin. Now we want to plot a point A by AB. AB मतलब coordinates of a point. जब भी हम लोग किसी पॉइंट को लोकेट करेंगे तो इसमें दो कोऑर्डिनेट्स चाहिए. फर्स्ट एब्सिसा, सेकंड ऑर्डिनेट. Suppose we want to plot a point 3, 4. This is a plane. The four part origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a rough figure. Okay. Just I am समझा रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर क्या होगा. If we want to locate a point P, 2, 3. So 2 means abscissa, y is ordinate. Abscissa 2. Here is a 2 and coordinate 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. This is the point P. 2, 3. Like this, AB, abscissa A, ordinate B. First letter abscissa, second ordinate. Okay. And this is a plane divided into four parts. First quadrant, second, third and fourth. Sign. Here is the positive, this is the x-axis and y-axis. Positive, negative, positive, negative. See. The plane divided into four parts. All the points, this side positive and this side negative. X-axis. Origin के left side negative and right side positive. Same on y-axis. Upper 4 positive and downward negative. They are negative. If we want to plot a point any -2, 3, so we will plot in this second quadrant. Here is a -2 and 3. This is the -2, 3. Point यहाँ आएगा minus plus. In this quadrant, third quadrant, minus minus. And the fourth quadrant, positive, negative. Positive from x-axis, abscissa positive, abscissa positive. Okay. This is the next. The x coordinate of every point on the y-axis is 0. So the coordinates of any point on y-axis are 0, y. Okay. The coordinates of every point on x-axis is 0. Is the coordinate of any point on x-axis are x0. Okay. See here. These are the axes. x-axis पर पॉइंट क्या आएगा आपका? x-axis पर पॉइंट्स हैं आपके 1, 0. इस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे? 3, 0. तो x-axis पे पड़ने वाले सारे पॉइंट्स के y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होगा. y कोऑर्डिनेट 0, ये x कोऑर्डिनेट है और ये y है. और इसी तरीके से अगर यहाँ हम लोग रखेंगे y-axis पर तो यहाँ पर x कोऑर्डिनेट हमेशा 0 आएगा. जी सारा क्या होगा? 0, 1, 0, 3. तो इस पर x कोऑर्डिनेट 0, y एक्सिस पर x और x कोऑर्डिनेट पर y कोऑर्डिनेट 0. यही है. देखिए ना 0y x 0. An equation of the type y equal to mx represent a straight line passing through the origin, and the coordinate of origin is 0. See here, the y equal to mx, suppose y equal to 2x. इस लाइन का ग्राफ हमेशा कैसा आएगा, यहां से कटेगा और ये ओरिजिन से पास होता हुआ सीधा जाएगा. दिस इज द प्लेन. तो हम लोग ग्राफ के बारे में पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर लीनियर इक्वेशंस में, लीनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 वेरिएबल, उसमें ग्राफ. ये अभी आपका सिर्फ कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का इंट्रोडक्शन है. ओके.